Today I am reviewing the Brute Network's 16GB. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever felt the frustration of a lagging laptop, spinning loading wheels, or system stuttering when you have too many web browser tabs and applications open at the same time, then you already know how painful a memory bottleneck can be. For many of us, our laptops are our primary lifelines for work, school, and entertainment, and the easiest, most cost-effective way to instantly breathe brand new life into your system is by upgrading your random access memory. Today, we're going to dive into a highly detailed, comprehensive review of the Brute Network's 16GB DDR4 3200MHz Non-ECC SODIMM laptop memory module. This specific memory stick is engineered to be a direct, 100% compatible alternative to the original equipment manufacturer part number SNP 1CXB8C/16G, which is famously used across countless major laptop models. We are going to look closely at its technical specs, its real-world performance benefits, and its industry-leading reliability to see why this is one of the smartest hardware upgrades you can make for your computer. Let us start by breaking down the core technical specifications of this memory module, because that is where the speed comes from. This is a 16GB PC 25600 module, operating at a blazing fast native speed of 3200 MHz. It is built in a 2-rank by 8 configuration and runs at a highly efficient 1.2 volts. Because it is a SODIMM form factor, it is designed with a compact footprint meant specifically for modern laptops, mini PCs, and small form factor workstations. It is a non-ECC, unbuffered module, meaning it is built to maximize mainstream computing speeds without the heavy data correcting overhead needed from massive enterprise servers, making it the perfect drop-in replacement for your daily driver machine. The absolute primary benefit of installing this 16GB stick is the immediate, undeniable boost to your system's raw speed and overall responsiveness. When your laptop runs low on physical memory, it is forced to constantly swap active data out onto your storage drive, which drastically slows down your computer. By expanding your capacity with this fast 3200 MHz module, you blast through those rigid memory limits. It drastically speeds up your system loading times, allows your operating system to boot up faster, and vastly improves your computer's ability to handle heavy, resource-intensive workloads like video editing, multitasking between heavy spreadsheets, and running massive background processes without a single hiccup. If you're a heavy multitasker, this memory is going to be an absolute game changer for your productivity. With 16 gigabytes of fast DDR4 capacity on a single stick, you can comfortably keep dozens of Google Chrome tabs open, stream high-definition videos, hop on a video conference call, and work on your local documents simultaneously without your system freezing up or forcing tabs to reload constantly. Maximizing your laptop memory capacity is globally recognized as the single most effective way to unleash the true power of your processor, ensuring your computer can smoothly run multiple complex applications at the exact same time. One of the biggest concerns people have when buying aftermarket components is hardware compatibility. There is nothing worse than opening up your laptop, installing a new component, and getting a black screen or an error code. Brute Networks completely eliminates this stress because this module is meticulously engineered and certified to be 100% compatible with major original equipment manufacturer specifications. It perfectly mirrors the timing, voltage, and architecture of the original factory parts, guaranteeing a seamless plug-and-play installation. The absolute second you snap this module into your laptop's memory slot and turn the power button on, your system will automatically recognize the new memory and configure itself to run at peak optimal speeds with zero BIOS tweaking required on your end. To top it all off, Brute Networks delivers an unbelievable level of quality assurance and long-term protection. All of their computer memory is built using major brand, top-tier components that meet or exceed strict industry standards. They stand so firmly behind the engineering of their hardware that they back this module with a full, comprehensive lifetime warranty. Knowing that your investment is covered for the entire lifespan of your hardware gives you immense peace of mind and proves that Brute Networks is dedicated to reliable, long-term performance. Ultimately, The Brute Network's 16GB DDR4 laptop memory module is an absolute home run for anyone looking to optimize their computer. It is highly reliable, exceptionally fast, fully compatible, and backed by a lifetime warranty. It successfully cures laptop sluggishness and unlocks true multitasking freedom, allowing you to maximize your daily productivity and extend the overall lifespan of your current computer. If you want a dependable, high-quality, and cost-effective performance upgrade that will make your laptop feel brand new again, this memory module from Brute Networks is an exceptional choice.